Plagiarism is copying or submitting someone else's work as your own without sufficient citation. Here are 6 quick tips for avoiding it. First, submit only your own original work. Do not cut and paste anything. Do not change a few words in copied text. This does not make it your original work. Second, if you use a source's exact words, you must use quotation marks, and you must give a source and a page number citation. This might not apply to just a label for something, like Ring of Gyges, but it definitely applies to full sentences and major parts of sentences. Third, if you paraphrase or summarize a source, but do not transform it by your original thoughts, you must give a source and page number citation. Swapping out synonyms for some words is not sufficient transformation. A good way to avoid error here is to take notes in your own words, then, several days later, rewrite the ideas from your notes using different words and a different order of ideas. Fourth, do not submit work you did for a previous class without getting permission in advance from both instructors, even if it was your own original work back then. Fifth, do not cite class lectures or quote the instructor in a paper. This is bad form. Instead, go to the sources the instructor referred to in the lecture. Last, if you don't know whether something is allowed or not, ask before you do it. When it comes to academic integrity, it is much better to ask for permission instead of forgiveness. Those are my 6 quick tips for avoiding plagiarism. Thanks for watching today. Goodbye.